I wonder what invisible work the Sunday basket is revealing for us today. Let's take a look. Oh, we need to holidays and gifts do not need to be surprises. What? Holidays and gifts do not need to be surprises.
I know, like Father's Day is always at the end of June. Mother's Day in the United States is always in May. Christmas is always in December. Like, why are these things always surprising for us? And it's not that the actual day is surprising. It's just making sure you have the right card and the right gift, etc., etc., etc. So this lovely little gift, which Greg will be receiving today for Father's Day, I actually purchased in May. So once you have a Sunday basket and you stop drowning and you feel like you're at least treading water, you could start to think a little bit in advance. And you could think now for like, do you have any birthdays coming up the rest of the summer? I have my daughters and my grandson. So I'm already thinking about what kind of gifts do I want to get? Now it's Father's Day. So Greg will be getting a golf shirt and golf balls, as he has every other Father's Day for the entire time he's been a father. My father always got ties, but that's not a thing anymore. So we always have our standard gift that we give. But we like to give something fun, right? So we were hanging out around the office and it was a chaotic day. And so I just threw out the quip and I said, who's on first? What's on second? I don't know who's on third, which is an old Abbott and Costello routine that used to be done on the radio. And my dad had cassettes that he would play and he would listen to Abbott and Costello. And my husband likes that as well. Like, he likes that story as well. And so when I did that at the office, one of my colleagues who has little kids said, oh yeah, the little bunnies. I said, bunnies? And she said, yeah, the book. I'm like, book? And so I immediately went on Amazon and I bought Who's on First? And it's these little bunnies playing baseball and they're doing the whole Abbott and Costello routine. And I guarantee you, my husband will appreciate the golf shirt and he will appreciate the golf balls, which cost a lot of money. But this less than $20 book will be his favorite Father's Day gift because it is for him being a grandfather. And I don't know how many times Grayson will listen to this book, but I guarantee Greg will read this book dozens and dozens and dozens of times. And possibly this could be the book that Greg and Grayson read together on a regular basis until Grayson is old enough to read his own books and say, I don't want to read that one, Pop, I want to read a different book. So how do we get to the point where we have enough time and capacity to come up with these thoughtful gifts? To hear that at work, take the time to just go straight to Amazon, buy the book. It showed up a week later. I was like, oh great, the book showed up, and I snuck it right here in my Sunday basket. So it was here the entire time and nobody saw it because nobody cares. Nobody's looking at my list, and it's right here in the back. So now that it's Father's Day, all I have to do is whoosh, take it out and wrap it along with the golf shirt and the golf balls that my husband saw come to the door and are not a surprise. So this will be a fun little surprise gift that is right inside of the Sunday basket, so I didn't lose it. So as you're thinking now about the next holiday, how do you become proactive with your holidays? And I'll leave you with one more pro tip. For whatever reason, they wait a long time to book Father's Day cards out on the shelves. Like when you go look for Mother's Day cards, they'll be there probably starting in January, I don't know. But on Mother's Day, I tried to buy all of the cards I needed over the summer and they didn't have Father's Day cards out yet. So go to the store and buy the Father's Day card for next year. Because if you have a Sunday basket, you have a place to put that and you will not lose it. And now you are one whole year ahead for Father's Day next year. And for any of you who have any sports related men in your life or people that like this old fashioned thing, this is a great little book. Add it to your list. Go print it out on Amazon, say, hey, this book is coming if you want to do that. Or it could be a great next birthday, Christmas, whatever holidays you celebrate, Easter, it could be any of those things. The Sunday basket makes visible the invisible work you're doing, but then also it helps you proactively plan and do these fun things that don't necessarily cost a lot of money, but really make you feel like a boss when you pull them out. So this little magical basket will save you about 5 hours every week. Let's see how many hours it has cumulatively saved those of us who are Sunday basketing our lives.
Last week, we ended with 5
5.6 million hours saved. The Sunday Basket will save you 5 hours every week. Where are we today? Drum roll, please. We are at 5,705,250 hours. Wow, we're at 5.7 million hours saved with the Sunday Basket.